17 court watch tonight. One of two men charged in connection with the shooting death police say resulted from a drug deal gone wrong has pleaded no contest to a charge of second-degree murder. Police say 21-year-old Darius Poole and his co-defendant, Amion Oliver, who pleaded no contest back in May to second-degree robbery, were trying to buy codeine cough syrup from the victim, Joshua Rocha, and another man. This happened back in March of 2020. The men reportedly got into an argument inside a car, and Oliver tried to take a backpack from Rocha. Poole then allegedly shot Rocha and fled the scene with Oliver. According to court records, Poole faces 15 years to life in prison at a sentencing hearing next month. Oliver faces 5 years in prison and is expected to be sentenced next month as well.